PCB are classified by IPC as per performance and producibility levels. In the previous video we have talked about classification into classes based on performance levels. In this video, we will see how PCB are classified based on producibility levels. There are 3 levels of PCB as per the producibility level. Level A is a less designed complex level. It is the inexpensive level of PCB. Fabrication's costs are low. PCB can be easily manufactured. There need not be any iterations required for this level of PCB and can be easily produced by manufacturers. Level 2 PCB has medium complexity and cost of fabrication is higher than the Level 1 PCB. There might be iterations required to manufacture the PCB. We can say yield of the Level 2 PCB is less than yield of Level 1 PCB. Any PCB which is complex in design fall under Level 3. For example, high-density interconnect PCB, rigid flex PCB, PCB which have fine-pitch components fall under Level 3. The yield of Level 3 PCB is low, so PCB might require more iterations.